Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 102nd video in our PTC Creo Parametric course, where we are covering everything from basics to advanced. And if you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the playlist link that I have added in the description of this video. Now let's talk about this video topic where we are still continuing our advanced surfacing tool, and you can see I am already in Style tool. And in this video, we're going to talk about Surface Edit tool. This tool is extremely important, guys, especially when we want to refine, modify, or improve existing surface without recreating them from sketch. Or I'm gonna say there is no such tool exist if you do not have this ISDX extension. So if you have that kind of workflow where we need to work with class A level surfacing, ask your IT administrator to have Style tool. So here you can see I am back again in Style tool, and if you visit this surface group, you can find Surface Edit here. So now let's click on it. After clicking, as you know, we are editing the surface, which means that there would be existing surface that we would like to fine tune or refine. So let me select this existing surface, and as soon as I clicked here on existing surface, here we can see we have got this mesh that is there, which will help us to further tweak our surface based on our requirement. And then we also have got different views that we can use and will help us to refine our surface in a better way. If you play with these values, for example, if you increase the max number of row, here you can see we are making this mesh more and more denser. Now you can simply drag your mouse and can make necessary adjustment or can tweak your curve. Now let's say you want to change the behavior of it, that we can customize by going here to move, and then here we can see there are many other options. So first one was normal to surface, the second one is normal to constant. So it means that surface normal direction at the select boundary will be controlled at a fixed constant angle. In a similar way, we can see there is an option of normal to plane, where the active plane will be considered as a normal. So let's say you want to change the plane, then you may require to change your active plane. Then we have got this free option. If you choose the free, then the degree of freedom will be 6, and then the changes that you will make will or can happen in all direction. Then let's say if you want to move granular, then you can actually use these parametric values. If you want to make a granular change, then you can select the point and can make adjustment with this incremental move. So in this way, guys, we can edit the surface and can make necessary changes based on our requirement. You can also adjust these changes and can make it step by step by going here in list and then click on. So in this way, guys, we can utilize Surface Edit tool inside Style tool in Creo Parametric. And I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you want to elevate your engineering skills and want to stay updated with more in-depth tutorial, make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as this channel not only cover PTC Creo Parametric tutorials, but variety of topics from core engineering, CAD, project management, and beyond. So there is always something valuable to learn. And if you have got any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.